Hi guys, so I have a secret that will be shared to you. So this is regarding your smartphone. Your smartphone, diba? Kung anong sinesearch nyo, what's they know because this smartphone has your profile, all of your online activities, all of your watching, you are spending it with this mobile phone, right? So just an example that it's listening 100% most of the time, even if you turn it off. Hey Google, what's the weather for today?
Okay, but your device. There will be scattered thunderstorms with a high of 32 and a low of 26. Currently it's 32 and mostly sunny.
Hey Google, can you calculate me 4 times 5 divided by 2?
I found these results.
Hey Google, what's the latest news for today?
Here's what I found on the web.
Can you read it for me? Hey Google, can you read it for me?
Got it. 1323. Vo LTED. 58. New.
Yeah.
Unlock more assistant features. D.
Actually, it's reading the whole screen of my phone. So it's magic how you can play with your mobile features on your phone, guys. So this is how the smartphone works. It actually aids us, not hindi dapat tayo yung na-enslave dito, kundi ginagamit natin siya as a tool to be more productive, to be more successful. Yep. So this smartphone has a lot of features. Not only Android but also Siri has also. Hey Google, what's the difference between you and Siri?
Alright, but first you'll have to unlock your device.
Yep.
Here's what I found.
But you need to have a stable internet connection in order to maximize this feature, and doing it so requires more stable Wi-Fi network. That's why you can refer to my YouTube channel for my technical videos regarding the Wi-Fi YouTube channel. But for this video, we'll be talking about how do I maximize the Google Assistant on my phone. So I use this a lot when driving. So hey Google, can you route me through the nearest McDonald's?
Alright, but your device.
Yep,
I found a few places near you.
the closest one. Hey Google, map to the nearest McDonald's.
The best way to get to McDonald's by car is via MLK Son Avenue and will take about 12 minutes in moderate traffic.
Yep, and it's also integrated the traffic report and the estimated time of arrival. So that's how you maximize your mobile phone device, guys. So this is not just for TikTok, for Instagram, for video, but also this is a personal assistant, a feature that is very useful in your everyday life. Okay, so if you have learned about this video, please share and subscribe so you can maximize or more tips regarding the features of your mobile phone. Alright, hey Google, what's Elmershox network all about? YouTube channel.
Got it, but your device. Here are the top search results.
Elmer received a 25,000 loan from Loan Shark. Wow, great news. So that's how amazing the Google. So this is not yet utilizing the AI or the artificial intelligence, but this is just utilizing the Google Assistant feature on your phone. So, hey Google, can you calculate me 3 times 4.
Got it, but first you'll need to unlock your Here's what I found on the web.
Yep. It's found on the web. Then also, hey Google, can you set alarm later, 4 p.m.?
You got it. Your alarm's set for 4 p.m.
That's the magic of the personal assistance of the Google feature. So if you like this video, please like and share, grow this channel, and see ya.